Lämmitetään vähän rekkaa.
Well, we all know any strongman competition has to have a truck pull, and of course we've got this beautiful truck here, over 10 tons, and they have to pull it for 20 meters. They get to use a harness and a rope to pull. Now, Lawrence, what's with the funky footwear?
Well, strongman these days, you've got to have like every little trick in the book. And we've got the rock climbing shoes on, give you that extra bit of surface against the ground to get as much friction to push off as hard as you can. If you just wear normal trainers, they slip a little bit. So we just try and wear shoes that are going to give us as much purchase as possible.
Now, that first event, it was easy. It was incredibly hard, wasn't it? Is this going to be any easier?
Well, all strongman events are tough, you know. It's not an easy sport. But, you know, we've all got events that we like and we don't like so much. And I think we're all a bit more used to this kind of traditional way of pulling a truck. It's a proper kind of strongman test. I like truck pulling, and I'm looking forward to giving it a go today.
Ja katsotaan